Ka'ano hotai hoya ka'ano hoshoya. As we begin to tune into the space, Shono hoya achai koya. We open through the spheres and the biology, through the central column, through the spinal column, no ochara hokoya achai kooya. Through the DNA of life, ono ochai no hoya ka'atoya. To begin to calibrate through the tones of the yellow and the pink, ono okoya hachayu koya. We're just allowing for a specific light transference. Comes in as a form of rehabilitation for star seeds. Ono ochai kohoya nahai ka'aya. And reveals itself as a testament to the light. Ano ochoya hakai inoya. You see this coming into the base of the spine. It starts to gather here into a flower blossom, ono choya kai no hoya. Tightly bundled, ono ochoya kai koya, holding the promise satatoshono of the light return, no ochai kaya. And this is to say that we have arrived, we have returned, shono hocho yokoya, and that it is time to start rehabilitating through the light, shono hokoya achai hikoya. For all that we have experienced up to this point has been recall, returning back to the light, recalling soul fragments, much more pain and sorrow than had been anticipated. Shono ocho yakoya hana okoya. But that this has been brought to completion, Hoshana okoya. And we can begin to now move forward, Doshana Hakai, out of these downward spirals that we have felt caught up in. Shono Hochai Kachano Hokoya. So we start to experience this light potential, the seed blossom, Onochoya. It's very potent. Doshana Haiki, it starts to expand through the belly, the lower body, so the hips and the back, and the digestive system, Nohochana Okoya, infusing through the cells into the waters of the cells, Oshoya Hakachana Hoya. Starting to infuse the creational bass tone, na ochoya, into the field, ana okoya hashaya koya. restructuring through the waters, no ochaya, through the biology systems. Tashaka autoya chano hukoya. As the light starts to speak into the basic building blocks of our biology, no ochai kahatoya. Just continuing to work here in this lower range of the hips, stomach, no ochai koya nahakai. Into the tissues, no hoshoya ka achoya ko no hokoya. Deep tissue work, no ho kachahaka anohoya. Starting to clear through it just looks like all the things that can gunk up the system, Josho Hoko Chana Yokoya, the things that have been dragging down the digestive system, Joshino Chaiko Otaika Shoya, and the reproductive systems, Ono Ochaika Hatoya. We start to see the reproductive systems in a different light as well. Ono Ochoyo Koya, Uchaya. Even though we may not be creating human life from here, it is an inherent part of our creational structure. Shohokoya. So to start to tune and to understand and process differently through this biology as we honor these systems and their capabilities. As we begin to progress to our next levels of evolution through the light body. That this contains the keys to our mastery. We have specific receptors within our biology that we can attune to our light structure. So beginning to build this communication system through the light, through the pink, and through the yellows. We come now into the heart. As all Doshonohoi is always returned and linked in through the heart. And moving up in through the back of the heart, into the spine, through the nervous system, Doshonohokoya, as we connect into the Dashahokoya, universal mind, that we each hold the all-knowing consciousness, the all-knowing mind space within us. Shana ochai katai hushoyaka aya. Connecting in through the center of the brain, Ochono Hokoya, Chaya Koya, we start to open through the spins. Seems that these biological templates have been prepared in advance. We're now able to begin linking in to Shana Okoya. To update No Ochana and to tune to the all-knowing natures through the biology No Ochai Katoya. So we connect in through the starships to receive specific adjustments for the fields. We always need to start with the basics, which anytime we begin our light work, it's to clear and cleanse what does not belong, anything we may have picked up. So it's the same for the biology. Things that have been hiding and manifesting in the darkness and out of sight. And then we start to notice that even though this is occurring in certain spaces within the body, the blockages that are created throughout the entire system as a result. So we may start to feel the paths where the blockages were occurring in other areas of the body, always leading back to the nervous system and the communication through the field. Now, as we clear out the biology, we can connect in more deeply to our light body structures, so we become more clear. More able to flow in ease and grace. We're just going to come in and do some adjustments, specifically through the divine masculine, so the right side of the body, flushing out remnant filament energies from the AI spectacles. These start to look like pieces of insects almost. They could pass as light filament, but they are of fall natures, inverse natures. Seeing these bundled around the base of the brain, in the nervous system, the spinal column. So we just come in to open up through the vortex to clear this more deeply. And actually we start to see here, feel this release coming through. So it looks that this was actually blocking a lot of communication between the mind and the biology. So, and the way that it feels to me is arcing or gapping over. We are missing the messages where knowing we should take certain steps to care for the biology, but somehow being unable to do so. This damming effect. So then, of course, beginning to mask the pain of the emotions through addiction. Or masking behaviors. This is a big adjustment here. And then, of course, all of the resultant effects of this. The shame, the guilt, all the emotions that were applied. This was a massive downward spiral effect that was in place through the AI. So we're just starting to see now how all of these architectures were actually linked specifically into the biology. Shonohocha akai hoya. So where these light filament structures should have been raising vibration, they were degrading the entire system. Na'achoya. Dasha hokoyanaya. So we just take a deep breath in here. And releasing out. Doshana achayuko choya hakai choya hatai. We see here now where the light of the cross appears, Oshoho, and how the cross architecture was they're actually saying the architecture itself was abducted in the Ochayika Chayahukoya. I used to say in the past these things were distorted, but that they actually took these architectures to Shoko Onahi Kochaya, re-engineer, biologically re-engineer no Ochayika Hatoya for the downfall of man. No Ochai. So again, just clearing, we'll sweep out this energy. Hono Ochaya. It's really not important to attach to that knowledge, Hono Ochai Kachoya, or to derive fear from it. So we just sweep it out. No Ochaya. We know we are receiving the light. We know we are being upgraded. No Ochaya Hokoya Daiichano. We rest in that peace, no Hoshaya, and in that knowledge of the light, no Ochoya. And returning to center, no Ochaika Atoya. Now that we've released this out of the right side, we come into Dasha Hokoya, the left side. And again, I'm brought into the reproductive system and the ovaries. Sotosho Hokoya, Hare Okoya. So, Josho, in the way it's being presented, this At the blockage through the right side, then transferring, of course, because the Divine Feminine is birthing the new. Dosha and all will be birthed through this newness. Just referencing how the nightmares were something about all of these attempts to birth these nightmares through the feminine, so where she was, and it's not necessarily the man and the woman, but through the two sides of the biology. What we were blocked through the masculine field, the feminine field was then birthing nightmares, birthing, having to exist through the nightmares, birthing into the nightmares. So it was as if no matter what she attempted, she could not get out of this downward spiral. But again, this is just all within the singular field of the biology through the human. And of course at other levels as well, because we all are multidimensional, so there are further reverberations, further effects that this would cause. So again, just sweeping through the field, returning to light center. We're just going to come in to make some adjustments through the mind, the center of the mind, through the center of the forehead, into the bridge of the nose. So it seems that we're working with the meridians of the body. Again, looking at this light cross architecture, these specific intercepts. So rebalancing through the field into the biology. Deep into the nerves and the nerve fibers. And also into the blood platelets. Joshana ochai kotai chai hukoya. And we start to come back to center. No ochaya, aligning through our knowing. No ochaya hoya hataya. Through our guidance system. And we begin to step back and seal the space here. Hoshana ochai kotai no hoya. That you take Doshana Hoya Yokoya and apply this Doshana Hokoya Hyatayu as it continues to process Ana Oshoya through the field Ana Ochai Katayu Hokoya. Separating out through the atomic structures Ana Ochai Kotayu Yokoya Daishana Hoya. And so it is.